will be discussing a fishbone diagram. The problem statement is at the tip of the fishbone. The fishbone usually has several organizing categories that provide a guide to identify problems. The categories commonly used include people, equipment, processes, environment, materials, and management. All six categories, or as few as two categories, may be applicable to a specific problem. For each category, everyone involved in the quality improvement team brainstorms possible reasons for the problem. Brainstorming and or the 5 whys are applied to each category as used in the fishbone. In my example, I used the categories as people, processes, equipment, regulation, management, environment. So for people, I put the RN, surgical technologist, and doctors. For processes, I use the pre-surgery count, first count, second count, third count, and final counts of instruments and lap sponges and any other kind of sponges. For equipment, I use the lap and sponge scanner. Regulation is the process of doing counts, which is mandatory for every surgery. Management is, I put the OR nurse is responsible for all counts, documenting and grabbing supplies during the surgery. The environment, I put rush due to emergency, also short-staffed because the OR-RN is required to do all of the above in the OR, do the counts, get supplies, documenting. So the problem that I came up with for my case study was that the scanner was not working properly and that it was out of battery in the OR during counts on most days. Also, the OR RN being flooded with requests from the doctors while also being responsible for the counts. And lastly, the RN not being familiar with all the surgical instruments, which caused delay in the counts.